Go. Hi everyone. This is the greatest kids water parks. Every little kid is permitted on this thing. So you go on it. First I'll show one slide to you, and this will be a lesson. I'll show you this one later. I'm going to show you a different slide, and since there's a line back there. Here's a slide. This one is permitted to lay on your back. Pretty fun. So, let's try the frog thing loud. Looks like no people are behind it. Watch this slide. This is a frog slide. How come kids are right in the middle of See? The slides are always fun. First, I'll show you the inside. Look at all of that. Why don't we look outside? You can see everything from here. Watch this. Approaching grinding. That's the fun part. I'll show you this slide. Okay, this is called the emergency slide. You're supposed to lay on your back on this one too. And it's kind of hard to slip down. Oh, this is called the shower. This is where kids have fun and take a shower. This thing's wet, so if this thing's wet, I don't know. If this thing's wet, I don't care. Why don't we look underwater, guys? Now you know how it looks like under there. There's only one more. There's a lot more things I need to show you. Not just that, but more. You slip on, you will have the best slide on this. This is a smooth slide. We're going to have to wait for a while on this man. That's the white frog right there. And look at that bird. Those birds always go to splitter bar. Oh, there's a movie camera. Almost there. This is a good slide.